Unleashing your blog's profit potential, the ultimate guide to making money in 2024. Hey, what's up, fellow future bloggers? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of blogging and how you can start your own in 2024. If you've been itching to share your thoughts with the world but don't know where to begin, you're in the right place. I've got a step-by-step guide for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your topic or niche. So you're ready to put your thoughts out there, but what's your focus? Finding your niche can be a bit challenging, but trust me, it's like the secret sauce for success. It gives your blog a unique flavor. Remember, you can talk about more than one thing, but having a consistent and specific main focus will draw readers in and keep them hooked. Step 2. Do competitor research. Now that you've got your niche sorted, it's time to snoop around a bit. Who else is in your blogging turf? Do some detective work to understand the key players in your space. Is it a bustling market, or are you one of the pioneers? Knowing this early on will help you create content that stands out, whether by being better or just different. Step 3. Define your audience. Who are you talking to anyway? Knowing your audience is crucial. Are they young professionals, seasoned experts, or maybe even high-flying penguins? Okay, maybe not penguins, but you get the idea. Understanding your audience helps you tailor your content to what they want to read. So, do a little stalking, research. Find out where they live, what they do, and what keeps them up at night. Step 4. Plan your first blog post. Now that you know your niche and audience, let's plan that killer first blog post. Take your topic idea, throw it into the search engine abyss, and see what pops up. If the existing articles don't quite hit the mark, congratulations. You've got a golden opportunity to create something better. Take it and run. Step 5. Name your blog. What's in a name? Well, a lot, actually. Your blog needs a name that's not just cool, but also makes sense for your niche. Check the web and social media to make sure your dream name isn't already taken. If it is, no worries. Get creative or try sweet-talking the current owner. And hey, if you're feeling fancy, trademark that bad boy. Step 6. Create branding elements. Now let's talk aesthetics. Your blog needs to look as good as it sounds. Choose a font, color palette, and maybe even whip up a logo. You can DIY it with Canva or bring in a pro. After all, a stylish blog is like a killer outfit. It makes a statement. Step 7. Claim a domain name. So, you've got a killer blog name in mind. Now it's time to make it official with a domain. Pop that name into your browser and see if it's available. Most domain registrars have handy tools to help you out. Once you've found your digital haven, it's time to pay up. Remember, owning a domain is like owning a piece of the internet, and you want that slice to be uniquely yours. Step 8. Choose a hosting site. Next up, hosting. Think of it as your blog's home on the internet. Some platforms offer free hosting, but there's a catch. They'll add their brand to your domain. Not cool. If you want to rock a clean and professional URL, you'll need to invest in a web host. Prices vary, but there's something for every budget. We recommend checking out the best web hosts that match your needs. Step 9. Build your website. Now comes the fun part. Building your blog. You can go all DIY or use a template or theme. No coding skills? No problem. Platforms like Blogger or WordPress got your back. Templates range from free to a couple of bucks, depending on your style and budget. Explore the options and find the perfect fit for your blog's personality. Step 10. Upload and publish your first article. Once your website is looking snazzy, it's showtime. Upload your first masterpiece. You can type and edit directly on your site, but here's a pro tip. Draft your content in a cloud-based editor like Google Docs for a secure backup. Before hitting that publish button, give it a preview. Make sure it's as sleek as you envisioned. You can always tweak things later. Step 11. Promote your blog. Your blog is live. Now let's get it out there. Social media is your best bud for spreading the word. Share your links on existing platforms or create new accounts to amplify your blog's reach. Remember, consistency is key. Keep those updates flowing and watch your audience grow. Step 12. Track your analytics. You're not just throwing content into the void. You want to know how it's doing, right? Time to embrace analytics. Your hosting platform might have some built-in, but we highly recommend connecting your blog to Google Analytics. It's like having a personal detective for your blog, tracking views, visitors, and even demographics. Knowledge is power, my friends. How to make money with a blog. Buckle up because we're diving into the world of blog monetization. Making money with your blog isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. It's like a buffet. Pick what suits your taste. And remember, diversification is the name of the game. Let's roll. 1. Brand partnerships. First up, the holy grail of blog income, brand partnerships. Get ready to team up with your favorite brands and create sponsored content. It could be reviewing a product or smoothly incorporating a mention into your regular content. Some partnerships are one-offs, while others blossom into long-term relationships. It's all about performance and mutual interest. 2. Advertising networks. Next on the money train, advertising networks. These bad boys pay you to run ads on your blog or when someone clicks on those eye-catching banners. Some networks, like Mediavine, want a hefty monthly view count, while others, like Google AdSense, are more forgiving. Time to turn those views into cash, my friends. 3. Affiliate links or codes. Now, let's talk secret agents. Affiliate links and codes. Join affiliate networks, get unique links to products, and earn a commission when your readers make a purchase. Amazon Associates and LTK are your partners in crime. Share those links or drop those codes like breadcrumbs in your content, and watch the commission roll in. Smooth, right? 4. Digital products. No hassle, no shipping. That's the beauty of digital products. Want to sell without the packing headache? Digital products are your go-to. Think printables, online courses, or even ebooks. Your audience clicks, buys, and voila, instant access. It's like magic, but with a dash of cash. 5. Physical products. But hey, if you love the tangible stuff, selling physical products is still on the table. Link your existing products in your posts, or create brand new merch that screams your blog's vibe. Fashion blog, t-shirts, hats, and tote bags with your logo are a no-brainer. It's like turning your blog into a mini online store. 6. Premium content or memberships. Now, let's talk exclusivity. Blogs are free for all, but you can add a VIP section behind a paywall. Got some top-notch content? Make readers pay to play. Platforms like Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee are your VIP entrances. Subscribers pay a fee for that extra special content. It's like the velvet rope for your blog. Thanks for joining our blogging adventure. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the notification bell. Happy blogging, and until next time, stay inspired.